The objective of Taboo is for your team to correctly guess more taboo words than the other team. To begin, divide your group into two teams of 2 or more players. Decide which team will go first. This team should designate one person, the clue giver. Then place a pile of taboo cards face down and start a timer for 2 minutes. The clue giver will draw one card and give their teammates hints to guess the word on the card. However, the clue giver can't use any part of the taboo word or say any of the other words listed on the card. They can't use sound effects or gestures either. If the team guesses the word, the team gets a point, and the clue giver pulls another card. If the team can't guess the word, the clue giver can discard the card and draw a new one. However, the other team gets the point. As one team is guessing words, the other team watches to make sure no rules are broken. If a rule is broken, they hit the buzzer and get a point. Once time runs out, the teams swap roles. Once everybody has played as the clue giver, the game is over. Points are tallied and a winner is declared.